For today, we're going to be in a tabletop position. We're going to take a big step forward. Try to get your foot level with your hand if you're able to. And we're going to work on rocking forward and back, forward and back. Now, you should feel this in the high hamstring and in your hips. If your foot can't go all the way to your hand, that's fine. You do want to step out and work on the nice, smooth rocking motion. We're going to grab the back of our leg and rotate up and hold. Now modify, if you can't grab the back of your leg, you brace on your thigh and still rotate upwards. Very nice. We're going to rock forward and hold. Very good. And we're going to rock forward and hold. Now again, if your hand placement can't get to your foot, no big deal. You keep it on your thigh and you rotate upwards. Switching sides, big step forward and sink your hips forward and back. Forward and back. We're gonna grab for the back of the foot and lift up. Again, if you can't grab your foot, your hand goes on your lead leg and you still work on rotation. We're gonna hang out here and we're gonna rock back and lean forward with each rep getting good solid depth. And we're gonna do one more and hold for 4, 3, 2, 1 and release. Back in the tabletop, we're gonna sweep our leg over and we're gonna sink into our hips. Now you should feel a little bit in the glute. We're gonna swing over and dip. Now the modifiers at the top. If you can't feel comfortable sitting down, keep your leg in a high position and push your hips back towards the wall. Very good. We're going to rotate over and push the hips back. And we're going to bring it back in, rock back and push your hips back. You should feel this in your glute, okay? Very good. Bring it back in. We're going to switch sides. We're going to sweep our leg back and press down. Now again, the modifiers at the top. If you can't feel comfortable sweeping your leg back, all you're working on is keeping the leg up and pushing your hips back. Very good. We're gonna sweep it back over and press down. We're gonna hold here. We're gonna lift back up and push back. Squat in that deep position. Bring it back in. Back to the tabletop. We're going to spread the knees, palms out forward, and we're going to sink into our hips. Very good. We're going to work some repetitions here. With each rep, we're focused on pushing your hips as far back as your heels as you can, and chest and head goes down to the mat. Very good. We're going to rock back up and push the hips back. With each rep, trying to get the chest closer to the floor, your knees spreading out nice and wide. Bring it back forward and sink into your hips. Now, if this bothers your shoulders, you can keep your hands in a wide position, but we do want to work on that depth. We're going to hold here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up. Back in the tabletop. We're going to place our feet behind us. We're going to sink back in our hips and we're going to sit upright. Now, if this is uncomfortable for your knees, you could place a pillow under your butt. But we're going to work on sit backs. We're going to push back and use the muscle in the front of your legs, quadriceps, to control the movement. We're going to rock back, bring it back up. Rock back slow. You should feel this in front of your legs, your muscles tightening up, and contract your quadriceps to lift yourself right back up. Now, if you're advanced, you want to get your butt all the way back to your heels. If this bothers your knees, put a pillow underneath you and just go as low as your ability allows you to, with each repetition working on depth. Very good. Now, this is a strengthening exercise of the VMO muscle and also helps strengthen the quadriceps. We're going to do one more good rep. Focus on depth, nice and slow. Control it. This is our last one. Hold steady and lift. Very good job today.